So let me introduce myself. My name's Holly, and I am an empty nester. My kids are grown and gone, and I have rediscovered the joys of riding. So my goal is to make a camper that has living quarters out of a bumper pull horse trailer that's small and easy to pull and has all the creature comforts that I need, but not too fancy. So you are welcome to join me on this journey to see how this all turns out.
Are you videotaping me?
No.
Oh, that's sweet. Oh, that's really nice. And if you need to, you can pull this out. So here's my trailer that I got from Harrison Ford Trailers in Wellington, Ohio. I had them install that window because I'm going to do the living quarters. It's got okay, there we go. It's a 2-horse slant with the tack room right here. And I can show you what that looks like as well. And there's the tack area. So that's what I have in the back. I had them install the door that goes to the tack room as well. So it's a very nicely made trailer. I'm very happy with it. I also spent the money and had an awning installed. I'm very, very happy with our awning. It's super easy to use, even though it's a manual awning. This is the best part. It's got a screen door, a ginormous screen door that's 36 inches wide, and a huge, huge living quarters or tack room area. A nice window right there for ventilation. I had that installed by Harrison Trailers. And that door to the tack area I had installed. So that's nice. And the other thing I had them do was I had them put in the fantastic fan. It's not wired or anything, but that will be my form of ventilation. So now I just got to figure out the layout. Actually, the first order of business is to take the carpet out and then put a subfloor in and then figure out how I want to have it laid out. I think I'm going to put the tire in the floor, put a bunk here, and then another bunk above it here, and then have my kitchen area over here, and just some shelving, maybe a DC cooler refrigerator kind of thing on this wall, which will go all the way up. So this is the project, and I'm ready to get started. So there was some debate on whether I should take the carpet out or use the carpet as a subfloor, and I decided, having heard some people say that it will get a musty smell to it, that I'm going to remove the carpet. So it's going to be a lot of fun. Oh man, I tell you, this is killing me, ripping up something that's brand new. But I'm not terribly impressed with the quality of this rug anyways, and it just rips so easily. Over here it just shredded. I know you're not supposed to be pulling on it, but it did not take much to rip that apart. So probably just as well that I'm getting rid of the rug. Got a lot of glue here. This is super sticky. Oh my gosh, it's so sticky. So I got the floor in, at least the pink insulation board. And using the rug as a template worked pretty well. Pretty fast, pretty easy. Let's hope it goes that well when I cut the plywood. The wood floor is down. Gonna have to screw it down because the plywood warps a little bit. So I'm not thrilled about having to screw it down through the aluminum floor, but it's got to be done. And I'm going to cut off the screws on the bottom and caulk them from the bottom so we don't have any water issues. So that's where we're at.